Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send the campaign to one person on Mailchimp. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type mailchimp.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click at login into your account, so you can actually enter your name or user's name or email, then password, then you can log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you can actually scroll down here and see all the plans that they have. They have the three paid plans and one free plan. Once you choose whatever plan suits you, let's use this as an example, they're gonna get you to the section where you can actually create your account. As you can see, let's just click add this free plan, sign up for free or sign up free, and that should take you here. Simply just enter your email, username and password, then click on sign up. Let me do that and I'm coming back. So now you have to check your email by just going to your email and activate it by the message that they're gonna send you. Once you activated your account, you'll find yourself here again, so let's just click at continue free. Here, you'll have just to enter your first name, last name, so let's just enter those that is like suggested for me and click on next. Of course, the phone number is just optional. And here, of course, you'll have to enter your address, thanks, and etc. So let's just enter those, click on next. And here, of course, you'll have to answer some questions. If you don't want to, it's cool. You can just keep pressing and at next, as you can see. But the first one, you should actually just answer it, and you will see the rest of them. You can actually keep clicking at skip. Once you finish, click on finish. And as you can see, once you click on let's go, you will find yourself on the home screen of the Mailchimp websites. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to send the campaign to one person. Of course, if you want to do that, you can just go to this campaigns here, click as all campaigns, go to one of my campaigns, an example, click on edit. Of course, you can, if you don't have any campaigns, you can just go and click as create, and you can even go and create a new campaign for yourself. Just edit the content, and you will find yourself at this page. Here, of course, for you will find here edit recipients, and in this segment and tags, of course, the audience is going to be your audience. In the segments and tags, make sure to choose this group or new segment. Once you choose that, you'll find this appears to you. Here, just choose email address. Here you can choose is not, contains, because of course contacts that match any of the following condition will receive this email. But we don't care actually about this point. We can click on this past emails, and of course, as you can see, we'll ignore addresses that aren't in this audience. Include this emails in my segment or exclude this emails in my segment. Simply just go here and insert the email of the person that you would like to receive your campaign. Once you finish, as an example, it's going to be like, I don't know, test gmail.com. Click at build segment. And as you can see, these recipients were not added in your segments. For me, I don't have them in my contacts here if I go to my audience. But for you, if you have them, you can just simply go. And let me just get back into it. Click on edit. For you, of course, once you pass your email here, make sure to build the segment, then save. And once it's saved, of course, you can actually send it to that person or schedule it to him whenever you want or to her. So this was actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.